Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the USBT global token. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting July 3rd on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it stands for Universal Blockchain Token, USBT. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing July 3rd, 8 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search USBT, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you're looking for their info, they have a Gitbook, usbt.gitbook.io. That's going to take you to a full white paper. We're going to find all the information on this project. So USBT, Universal Blockchain, stands at the forefront of technological innovation, specializing in the integration of blockchain into diverse business operations with a commitment to driving efficiency, security, and innovation. USBT brings a client-focused approach to deliver customized blockchain solutions. Now, blockchain technology, the cornerstone of USBT solutions, represents a paradigm shift in data management and transaction recording. Its decentralized and immutable nature provides unparalleled security, ensuring that data remains tamper-proof and verifiable. This inherent trust mechanism fosters transparency and traceability, empowering organizations to streamline operations, optimize decision-making, and build stronger relationships with their stakeholders. So USBT stands as a visionary leader in the blockchain domain, offering a comprehensive suite of solutions tailored to fit the diverse needs of businesses across industries. Our expertise encompasses, number one, supply chain optimization. USBT revolutionizes supply chain management by introducing blockchain-powered solutions that enhance traceability, visibility, and efficiency. Our solutions enable businesses to track goods from origin to delivery, ensuring authenticity, preventing counterfeiting, and optimizing logistic processes. Also, regulatory compliance. USBT streamlines regulatory compliance by leveraging blockchain's tamper-proof and auditable nature. Our solutions provide organizations with a secure platform to document and manage regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of penalties and enhancing adherence to industry standards. Also, identity management. USBT empowers businesses with secure and decentralized identity management solutions. Our blockchain-based identity platform enables organizations to verify user identities, manage access controls, and protect sensitive data, fostering trust and preventing fraud. And lastly, trade finance. USBT revolutionizes trade finance by introducing blockchain-powered solutions that streamline cross-border transactions, reduce costs, and enhance transparency. Our solutions enable businesses to secure financing, facilitate payments, and manage trade documents efficiently. So the token utility here, it says you could use it for access and membership. USBT tokens can be used to access the premium services such as advanced blockchain integration tools, consultation, and support. Also, USBT rewards clients, partners, and users with USBT tokens for participating in the ecosystem, referring others, or contributing positively to the community. Also, USBT tokens are used to pay for the execution of smart contracts within the USBT platform, ensuring secure and efficient transactions. USBT holders can stake their tokens to participate in governance decisions, including voting on protocol upgrades, changes, and community initiatives. USBT tokens are integrated into a loyalty program offering discounts, benefits, and exclusive access to USBT services based on token holdings. Also, USBT conducts an initial token sale to fund development and ecosystem growth with allocations for early investors, team, and advisors. Some USBT tokens are distributed through a proof of stake or proof of work mechanism, allowing network participants to validate transactions and earn rewards. USBT allocates a portion of tokens to community rewards, encouraging active participation, referrals, and positive contributions. A reserve fund is established to ensure the stability and growth of the ecosystem, with tokens released gradually over time. So USBT distinguishes itself through a client-centric approach, ensuring that each solution seamlessly integrates into a business's unique ecosystem and addresses its specific needs. Our team of experts collaborates closely with clients to understand their requirements, design customized solutions, and provide ongoing support throughout the implementation and adoption process. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Excuse me. They have 2,008 holders so far. Max total supply 1 billion tokens. Name of the token is UniversalBlockchain, all one word on BSC scan, ticker symbol USBT, 18 decimal places on this token. And you can find their Telegram on their webpage, which is USBTofficial.com. That's where you can find the white paper as well. And then their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at USBT_official. So go check this all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.